Hi, I'm Brittany with WTI, and this is a set you're going to want to check out. This is the MULIRE Garlic Press and Herb Scissors set. Of course, the main item are the herb scissors. You can see because it has 5 cutting blade, this is going to have obviously 5 times the cutting power. I, of course, love the sleeve. It allows you to protect your blades, and when you are ready to whip them out, you can cut so many things, parsley, any herbs, green onions to add it to your salad, your dish. It saves so much time, and it comes with these scissor cleaners. I was able to cut up so much basil to make our homemade pesto, and again, it was so easy to clean the blades out. This little doodad is a garlic peeler. The inside is ribbed and is going to rub that garlic skin right off and allow you to easily remove the remaining husk. Now you can put it into this awesome garlic press. I love the size of the opening. If you're wanting to put a little bit in, it does such a good job pressing, but it's so powerful. I actually put quite a bit in and it had no problem pushing it all out, mincing that garlic so well. It even comes with a cleaning brush and just made cleaning and maintaining my new kitchen tools so well. And that's my point of view.